Sanmanani Pisang Vasile, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you guys. No, we already know Ugote. Ex-husband Yakano Zipo from the Mom Club got married on Saturday with this beautiful lady. As you can see, some are saying Ugote, she's 23, she's 25, she's 28. Nobody knows her age. So guys, one thing about social media, they will come for your education or for your bank balance. So people are saying, oh good, say the love of money is dangerous. There's a lady who did a video on TikTok trying to expose this young lady, saying that she's there for the money. There's nothing else. There's no way a 23-year-old can decide to be a stepmother of 8 kids. Someone from the family, guys, maybe from the in-laws or the Makoti family, came out to say, oh girl, she's an engineer and she has her own money. So people are saying, oh good, oh girl, engineer unemali, but why I decided ukushada uguy omdala kanje? Guys, the people have their own preference and types. You never know. Maybe she's in love. You can see on the videos, guys, that she's happy, and maybe she doesn't have a problem becoming a second wife. I don't know whether she's gonna be the first wife, because who knows, she's no longer in that marriage. So guys, it is what it is. Ugele unemali yakhe. Some girls, guys, labantomazana ubabona bashada namakhele. Some of them are teachers, nurses. You never know. Not everybody does not have a matric, guys. Just because a person would decide to look shut the cage, that doesn't mean what's lawyer modu grade 9 no grade. There are people that I have grade 9 and they're doing so well. So anyway, guys, let's get to Terrell. Terrell has a hectic week, especially now we know Ugote Umpumelelo decided to make Terrell the first wife. So guys, maybe this is the message to the second wife or to Umpumelelo. Terrell went on her Instagram account to say, if I ever to come about a situation, don't trust me. If I'm ever to come about a situation, don't trust me. Guys, we have seen Ugote, the way Uterelo, she's so calm, and people are saying Ugote, hi man, Uterelo, she's an understanding girlfriend. Akayone understanding girlfriend Uterelo, she knows what she's doing. According to this message here, Uterelo, it means that Uterelo, she's not the understanding girlfriend. People think Uterelo, she doesn't have a problem with anything. Guys, even when Uterelo, she was introduced to Vuyokazi, or when Vuyokazi was introduced to Uterelo, guys, Uterelo was very calm. Even now, there's a chances that when she meet a second girlfriend, she's gonna be calm. I don't know her reason why. Maybe she knows what one day I will get out of this situation. Maybe now I'm here because of fame. Maybe I do want money. But she seems like Uterelo, she come from a rich family. I mean, if you take a look at pictures before she dated Umpumelelo, I mean, she looked like somebody who has money. So guys, it is what it is. Uterelo, she's saying, Ugote, I'm not an understanding girlfriend. I'm not an understanding friend. I'm not an understanding cousin. Just because I'm calm, it doesn't mean what I like what you're doing. There are people that are so calm, guys. You would think they're okay with everything that you're doing to them. And they are waiting for that opportunity. Trust me and believe, one day you will look at it and like, yo, I regret, and they are gone. There's nothing you can do. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.